Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games on your Poco X5, but you can't seem to find it on Google Play Store. So we need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find any games like Call of Duty or Diablo Immortal. But as you can see, there's nothing that we're looking for. And let's try Diablo Immortal as well. There's also no results, and to fix this we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, open the settings, reveal family, enter parental controls, and right here you can either disable them entirely or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, and right here increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back and try to find both of the games, they should be right here and we can install them, and also Call of Duty, it's available right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.